Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Plus500. Review my usage experience. Plus500 is an online trading platform that allows users to trade contracts for difference, CFDs, on a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, forex, commodities, and indices. It primarily targets individuals interested in online trading, from beginners to more experienced traders, offering a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of markets. Key features include leverage trading, a demo account, and a variety of charting tools. Their website provides details on the available instruments, trading fees, and other relevant information. Plus500 emphasizes accessibility and ease of use, promoting a straightforward trading experience. While they advertise competitive spreads and no commissions on certain trades, it's important to understand the risks associated with CFD trading. The platform leverages technology to provide real-time market data and execution. Availability depends on your region. Check their website to see if Plus500 is offered in your country. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Plus500. Getting started was surprisingly simple. I created a demo account first to get a feel for the platform without risking any real money. The registration process was quick and easy, and I was able to explore the interface and practice trading with virtual funds. Navigating the platform was intuitive, even for a relative newcomer to CFD trading like myself. I found the charting tools particularly helpful in analyzing market trends. For example, I was easily able to overlay different technical indicators and customize the chart timeframe. The order execution was generally fast, though I did experience a slight delay during periods of high market volatility. I had a quick question about the margin requirements, and their support team responded within a day via email, which I found satisfactory. One thing I really appreciated was the clear presentation of fees and charges. There were no hidden surprises, which is crucial in online trading. The standout feature for me was definitely the demo account, as it allowed me to familiarize myself with the platform and develop my trading strategies risk-free. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for my operating system at the time, though they do offer one for other platforms. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced charting features, but there are plenty of tutorials available online. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Plus500. It's a user-friendly platform with a good range of features and transparent pricing. That's my overview of Plus500. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.